Today, between 1 and 1:30 in our Kadebazar road, there was an altercation with respect to an accident between one Mr. Lau Mamledar, age 68, who is known to be the ex-MLA of Ponda from the state of Goa. Owing to this altercation between both the parties, the accused party has slapped the ex-MLA on his cheek, post which he has started to climb the stairs of his lodge, which is Srinivas Lodge, and in the reception area he has collapsed. After he has collapsed, he has been shifted to our civil hospital, and over here a lot of tests have been done on him and the ECG was conducted, and post which, seeing the results of the same, he was declared dead. An MLC has been generated in the same incident, and we have taken a case in Market Police Station, and the accused has been secured. Further investigation is on, and we are taking all the details of the accused, which will further be recorded.
Name of the accused?
We're still taking all the details. I'll also have to go talk to him once, and our police are interrogating him. We'll find out about everything and give you a further.
Sir, any relatives accompanying him?
As of now, nobody, but his family is known to be coming from Goa at this point.
Thank you, sir.
एमजीपीचे लीडर तशेंच आदले फोंड्या मतदारसंघाचे एमजीपीचे आमदार लोऊ मामलेदार हे खंय तरी बेळगांव गेल्ले कडेन जेन्ना खडे बाजारांत ते पावले, खडे बाजारांत पावतकीर थंय एक रिक्षावाल्याकडे तांचो कितें तरी तोंडान वाद जालो. वाद जाल्या बरोबर लोऊ मामलेदारान सकयल देंवन सांगलें की मातसो सायडीन सर म्हणून ताका हात लायलो आनी ताका सांगलें. हात लायल्या बरोबर तेजेर खंय तरी लोऊ मामलेदाराचेर त्या ड्रायव्हरान काडले आनी थापट काडून मारले. थापट मारल्या उपरांत लोऊ मामलेदार थंयच्यान चलत मुखार गेल्या उपरांत लोऊ मामलेदार जे आसा थंयच प्रेशर डावन जालो काय कितें म्हणून खबर ना, पूण जे व्यक्ती लोऊ मामलेदारा बरोबर आशिल्ले तेंचे कडल्यान म्हायती मेळटा ती अशी, ह्या पद्दतीची म्हायती आसा की मागीर ते मुखार गेले आनी थंयच ते कोलॅप्स जाल्या बरोबर थंयच हॉस्पिटलान जेन्ना तांकां व्हेले तेन्ना थंय डेड डिक्लेअर केल्ले आसात. इन गोवा खातीर दिनेश नायक.